Look at this. No compression. Beautiful.
Yeah, boy. Head gasket. Here is our brand new head gasket. But before that goes on, we have no idea what they do, but they were in when we took the engines apart. Now that the weird blue plastic things are in, we can slide on the head gasket and the cylinder head of one side of the engine. Being careful to keep the chain, which goes around the crankshaft, up and out the way, because this has got to go around the camshafts later. And not forgetting the chain guides. These, of course, guide the chain. They make sure that the chain don't rub on any of the cylinder block and ensure the chain stays nice and tight. And there's 2 timing chains on the car.